Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss about taking screenshots on the Tango application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your phone number and the verification code, or log in using your Google ID. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can browse through various different profiles. Now, within the Explore page, if you try taking a screenshot from your normal phone functions by tapping on the default screenshot key, then you will notice that you are able to take screenshots within the Explore page. However, if you open up any chat, then you will see that you cannot take any screenshots because it is forbidden by the privacy policy of the Tango application. However, when you are starting your own live chat session, then you are still able to take screenshot as this is your own live session. But apart from that, you are not able to take screenshots of someone else's live sessions. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about taking screenshots within the Tango application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.